What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Thomas Gallery, and today I want to talk about solar systems. Now I've done stuff on stars and planets. We're going to talk about solar systems. Now what is a solar system? Well, let's break the two words down. Solar. The key word is sol, S-O-L, which is Spanish for the word sun. So we also know we're talking about something dealing with the sun, okay? Solar. A system. What is a system? A system basically is a group of individual parts coming together to perform a function for a greater body. Okay? So what I mean by this, solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system, surrounded by 8 planets, an asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, and other stuff just floating, flying, jetting around. Okay? Now, solar systems are there are, when I say billion, I mean there are billions upon billions of solar systems. Alright? And our particular solar system is in what is known as the Milky Way galaxy. I'll talk about galaxies in another video, but I'm talking about solar systems. And it's like way out on the edge of the Milky Way galaxy. It's not even close, it's like on the edge of it. It's not even really in the thick of anything. It's in the edge somewhere. It's way out yonder. Now, these celestial bodies in our solar system go around, they rotate and revolve around each other and around the sun, our sun. Now, from the Earth's perspective, it may not look it, but when you go in outer space, and actually you just take the time just to look at the way the stars move, the phase of the moon, you can tell that there's something going around something else. The Earth revolves around the sun, and so do the other celestial bodies surrounding the sun. Okay? The reason why you have this solar system is because the sun's gravity is so strong that certain objects have yet to escape its gravitational pull. Okay? The sun's gravity is so strong that it has captured and created, there's a difference between the two, it has captured and created planets, asteroids, meteors, comets, moons, things like that. Now, we are part of the solar system. Our Earth is the third planet from the sun. Okay? We travel around the sun 365 and 1/4 days. You know, the same way how the moon has its phases according to where you are on the planet Earth. If I know you can't, but if hypothetically you would be on the sun looking at the Earth, you will see that it will have phases in different positions also. Okay? The sun spins very fast. I forgot how fast it spins, but this spinning motion, it has an effect on the other bodies, the other planets, and so on. The planets, they spin around, they rotate, and they revolve. Okay? The sun goes around the Milky Way galaxy. Okay? So even our solar system rotates and revolves around a larger system, which is called a galaxy. Okay? So you have a kind of a series of rotation and revolutions going around. You got the Earth going around. Well, you got the moon going around the Earth once a month. You have the Earth going around the sun once a year. You have the sun going around the galaxy. I forgot how long that takes. I know it takes a long period of time, because I know if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody knows, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe from the center of the Milky Way to the edge, I believe it's 100,000 light years, if I'm not mistaken. So I mean, there's a way to mathematically figure out how long it takes for the sun to go around the Milky Way. You gotta know, you gotta know how fast how fast the sun is moving. You gotta know how fast the Milky Way is moving, because the Milky Way also spins. You gotta know how, the distance from the center of the Milky Way galaxy all the way to the edge. Things like that. You can figure it out. Just I don't have the time nor the materials to do so. I can do it, but I don't feel like going through all that. But anyway, there are billions upon billions of solar systems. Now, some solar systems we have discovered have planets similar to Earth. Okay. As far as we know, this planet is at the proper spot where they call the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's just right, like the Three Bears, Goldilocks. That's where they got it from. It is at the right spot to have liquid water, atmosphere, and climate that is conducive to create and sustain life, and even evolve into intelligent life, i.e., us and other animals. You have other planets that are either too close or too far. Too far, you get cold, like Mars. Too close, you get hot, like Venus and Mercury. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it's not the hottest. The hottest planet is actually Venus, due to its greenhouse effect. Okay, but Mercury is the closest. Venus is second. Us, Earth, third. Mars is fourth. And you have the asteroid belt, just a group of rocks and just debris that just probably didn't coalesce. It probably wasn't enough to do anything with, and it's just going around, going around, going around. Then you got Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Okay. Then you have the Kuiper belt, which Pluto's a part of. Then you got stuff going out there. So the stretch of the sun's reach is pretty good. It's pretty good. But that's basically how solar system work. A solar system is simply a group of celestial bodies that orbit around a sun. Okay, it orbits around the sun. Like solar means sun, sol, solarium, all these SOL words. Sol, solar, solarium, solstice, which means sun still or sun stop, solstice. Solarium, which means the Aryan means room, so sun room, things like that. Solar means sun. No, that's all. But that's basically just the basic definition of a solar system. A group of celestial bodies that orbit around a sun. It can be our sun. It can be any kind of. It can be a red giant. It can be a white dwarf. Any kind of sun. It's solar. As long as there are things surrounding and orbiting around that sun, you have a solar system. Okay? Just want to drop that on y'all one time. Hope y'all enjoy it. I catch y'all later. Peace.